Sometimes we just need to slow down, we need to calm down, and we need to understand what's actually happening. And I honestly believe that what just happened yesterday was the floor for jasmy. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly why that is. And we're going to talk about jasmy. It's been a while since I made a video just about jasmy. So we're going to get right into it. Don't forget to drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We are this close at 19,000 subscribers. I appreciate all of you that are following the journey. And this is not financial advice, of course, all my own opinion. Do more research even after watching this video. So I posted this for members yesterday talking about jasmy. And I said jasmy crypto buy levels. I gave the buy levels based on fib levels was 0.01391, right under 14 cents, and was right above well, not 14 cents, but you get what I'm saying, the 1.4 level, and then right above the 1.3 level, let's just say 13 cents, even though it's a penny 3. All right, so right above 3, right below 14. It's going to be interesting if we get down to the 618 level, which was this price right there. I'll be buying more at this level, which would be 0.01336. This is a 5% down from where we're at right now. And guys, we actually hit that level. We went a little lower, and now we're trading, as I'm making this video, above 14. We're at 1412. I'm going to tell you why I also was very confident that we were going to bounce at this level right here on the chart behind me. So one of the things that you need to make sure you have is trading view, and you need to make sure you have your chart set up like mine. So you could do this today. You could set up your trading view and it could look exactly like mine with the MACD, the stochastic, the RSI. The reason you want to set it up like this because it gives you more confidence on when to buy and when to sell. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay. Make sure you click out the links out down below. Join our community and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Looking at this right now, you can see this is a 4-hour time frame. And the biggest thing you want to pay close attention to is the RSI right here. The RSI was creating positive divergence on a 4-hour time frame, and I broke this down for members and other people, I believe, on YouTube a couple days ago. So what is positive bullish divergence? It's when the RSI makes a higher low, which it clearly did right there, that yellow line, and the asset itself makes a lower low, which jasmy did. Right? The lower low was basically from 1487 down to 1.01309. Lower low, higher low. Bullish, especially on a 4-hour time frame. Okay. Very oversold on the RSI on a daily and weekly. Plus, that was a Fibonacci level. So where do we go from here? Well, most likely jasmy is going to run up to this level next. Okay. And it's going to have some resistance around the 1.5 penny and a half range. This has been for like a year now. Very strong support and very strong resistance, the 1.5 level. So right now it's going to go up here and test that again. And then hopefully it gets above it and it holds as support and it builds new structure and we can take the next leg up. Jasmy has been very disappointing, but it is following technicals to a T, especially with Bitcoin dropping yesterday. The whole market was dropping. Hopefully you saw my ASM video yesterday. I mean, we got over 1,000 views, so that's pretty good for not being a jasmy video. Make sure you watch that ASM video. I feel really good about ASM crypto, and I explain exactly the charts, the details, everything you need to know. I posted it yesterday. So looking at jasmy, though, it's looking good, to me at least. I'm still bullish here, and I ended up buying more yesterday. So I bought more jasmy yesterday. I didn't buy a lot. I bought like 250,000 coins, so about 250,000 coins. But that could pay off, especially if my targets hit that I believe is going to happen this year. And I believe it's going to happen within the next 30 days, really like June and July. I don't really see this getting prolonged and us being in a bear market right now for the rest of the year. I think we're going to pop. Again, this is not financial advice, it's all my own opinion, but I think alt season is literally right around the corner. I'm looking at the Bitcoin dominance every single day, and this thing is creating massive, massive negative divergence on a weekly time frame. And this is exactly what happened in 2021. The dominance was skyrocketing. Everyone's freaking out because altcoins are bleeding, and then it just drops off a cliff. And that's exactly what's going to happen again, I believe, right now, this month in June. I remain bullish. You heard it here first. And I'm going to put myself out there because that's what I believe. And you know what? I always put myself out there. I give you guys different cryptos, different price targets. I'm putting a lot on the line, and I've been right about a lot of them. Okay. And if you've been a part of the YouTube, you know this. So I'm going to be right again with jasmy. I truly believe this. I believe it's a mental game. and it's messing with a lot of people's emotions right now. But when you look at everything, you look at Bitcoin, you look at the dominance, you look at the structure of Jasmy, you look at all the cryptos out there, you look at Ethereum, this thing is going to rocket. You look at the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, you look at where our world is going with crypto. Like, how can you be bearish here? It makes no sense to me, but you're thinking like retail. You're looking at this and you're crying while big money is buying this up. Stop thinking like little money, start thinking like big money, and you're going to win.